Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery health with the Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click yes, agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. So now you'll see here information about your battery health, and in my case the battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.